Hi, Conchita. Hello.
Hello.
Did you complete your homework?
Yeah.
Let me check. Advanced screen. Hmm, One sec. Not getting it. S- Let me get your marks. Okay. Check your marks. One sec. I'm not able to see your marks. One sec. You know what is your mark, Conchita?
I don't know what that is.
'Cause I don't get your marks. Okay. Let me. Okay, now I ask you a few questions, okay?
Okay.
Let me see whether you're able to answer the questions. Mm. Can you do the
Do the
questions?
questions.
See, I think there is an issue, right? With with your mic or what? I can hear my own voice.
No, there isn't.
Okay. I'll just give you so let's complete by 5:15 so that I can go to a next new topic, okay? I'm just giving these problems to check your understanding. Like last week, last class, whatever we've done, no? It's just a kind of recap.
Okay.
Let me take the next topic, okay? Just keep doing. I'm just taking the next topic. What is it?
Mm. So,
Hmm. Do it fast, ma, please. Do it. Kunshita, if you're comfortable doing it in your notebook, go ahead, do it, okay? Because some people are not, most of them are not comfortable doing it on the board, okay? It like, okay, you want to do it, continue to, I mean, you're almost completing the question. Just
I'll go get the notebook.
Kunshita, I'll tell you one thing. See, what is the dividend here? What is the divisor here? What is the dividend here? What is the divisor, Kunshita, in this question? What is 36 and what is 1.5? Answer me, ma. What is the dividend and what is the divisor here? So the number you're putting here is the divisor. 1 second. This is a divisor and this is a dividend. Okay.
Okay.
And what did I tell you? Don't have your divisor with points. It's going to be very difficult to solve the problem. Instead, try to remove the point. How will you remove this point?
Um,
What you have to do? 1.5 you have to change to 15. How will you do that? With what number you need to multiply 1.5 so that it becomes 15? What number? 1.5 into what is 15? 1.5 into 1.5 into what is 15? 1.5 into 10 is 15, right? Right? This point, so there's 1 0. So for this, you have to move the point towards the right. So it will become 15.
Okay.
So whatever you do in the divisor, you have to do the same thing in the dividend. So it's going to be 15 by 360 divided by 15.
Okay.
Then it's going to be easy for you to do the question, this question.
Okay.
Can you try the next problem? One second, Ma. Let me go and get some water. Okay, I'm just feeling very. 1 second. Do it. Do it fast because I don't want to waste this class. Okay, doing this rational irrational divisions.
Is it the second one?
See,
Is it
do it. Do it. 1/5. 1/5 into 10/11. How will you do this? 1/5 into 10/11. How will you do this?
2
Huh?
by 11?
2/11. Okay.
Okay.
Can you do the fourth one? Do it fast, Kunshita. Let me copy the link. Complete it. What's the answer, Kunshita?
11?
Exactly. Good job. Let me give you two more questions, okay?
Okay.
One second. Can you do the 19th and 20th problem? Do it fast, okay?
Okay. Square meter of rectangular surface that measures 4.8 meters in length by 1.2 meters in.
Completed.
Is it 15,850?
15,000?
50,850?
How did you do it? You
I moved.
multiplied
Yeah.
1.25 into 4.8.
Mm-hmm.
There are points, no? You didn't keep the points?
Oh, yeah, I forgot the point. Is it 1.5850?
Sorry, 1 second. 1 second, ma. 1 second. 1 second. What is 125 into 4? 125 into 4.8, right? What did you get?
I got
You should get 6,000, right?
6,000.
It can't be ending with 5. That is for sure because 8 5s are 40. 0 and carry over 4. So it should be 6,000. 125 into 4.8, 125 into 48 is 6,000. Then you have to keep the points. How many points? How many points? How many numbers? After how many numbers you keep the point?
3?
3 from the back. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 6.
Okay.
Can you do the 20th problem? What do you do here?
Divide?
Yeah.
Is it 19? Is it 19
I,
volts?
yeah, yeah, exactly. 19. Okay. Let's go to the next thing. Okay. Now I'm going to do you know percentage? Do you know what is
No.
percentage?
I heard of it, but I don't know.
What's that?
I heard of it before, but I don't know.
Okay. Percentage. Let me show you a grid. Okay. 1 second. 1 minute. Let me share my screen first. Have you seen something like this?
Mm,
No.
no.
See, this grid, right? This square has 100
Mm,
small squares. I think for ones, tens, hundreds, you'll be having something like this. I
mm,
know that. Okay, this grid will have, let me copy this. I'm not able to copy it. This grid has 100. Once. This grid will have 100 small squares, okay? Each, so you, now they're going to do shading with this grid, okay? Let's take it, let me draw it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God. And let me have a 10. It's all should be same size, ma. I'm not drawing it
mm.
properly, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So the denominator is going to be, there are 100 small squares. Okay. If I shade 1, it's going to be what? If I shade 1,
Um,
it's going to be,
99?
if I'm shading only 1, so how will you write it in the, how will you write this in fraction? 1 by 100
9.
by 100, right? If I shade
Oh,
2,
okay.
then it's going to be 2 by 100. Because
Mhm.
denominator will have the total number of pieces. Okay. There are 100
Okay.
such pieces. Okay. And whatever you're shading or whatever you're selecting will come in the numerator. Okay.
Okay.
If I select all these 2 rows, how many squares I have shaded?
Um, 20?
20 by 100.
100.
Okay. 20 by 100. And if
Okay.
you want to cancel it, you can do it. You can cancel these 2 with 10, right? 2, 10. Okay. And then, and Kunshita,
Yeah?
looks like you're doing something with the mouse. So just disturbing my whiteboard. Okay.
Okay.
Then 2 by 10, again, you can, it both goes in 2 table, right? 2 ones are 2, 1 time, and 2 fives are 10. So it's 1 by 5. You
Okay.
get it? You can reduce them also. If
Okay.
I shade 25 boxes, it's going to be 25 by 100.
Mm-hmm.
Can you reduce them? Can you cancel the numerator and denominator and give the reduced form for this?
Okay.
How it's 25 how many times?
Two.
Two times? How? 25. First, cancel them with 5 tables, ma. It doesn't goes in 10. Reduce. Both 25 and 100 goes in 5 tables. 5 fives are 25 and 5 times what is 100?
50.
5 times? 5 times 50, how it will be 100, ma? 5 times 20. 5
20.
times 20 is 100. Then again you can reduce them. 1, 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 4 is 20. So the answer is 1 by 4.
Okay.
Let me give you one more thing. There are, okay, assume there are 100 in this, okay? I'm shading the first row, okay? Can you just tell me how you write this in fraction? The first rows have 10 boxes. First one has 10 boxes. How will you
I wrote it down.
write it in fraction and reduce them and tell me the answer? So it's going to be, there are 10 boxes. Okay, I've shaded 10. And totally there are how many boxes are there inside this box, inside the square? How many boxes are there? How many squares are there?
100.
100. So it's going to be
2 by 20.
huh?
2 by 20.
10 by 100. Right?
Okay.
2 by 20 further you can reduce it. Can you reduce it further? 2 by 20.
Um, yeah.
It's going to be, it's going to be
1 by 10.
exactly. Okay. Let's start doing some problems. Okay. Let
Okay.
me. Mhm.
Oh,
Oh, so can you see the first
yeah.
question? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. 10 by
10 by 10 means there are 10 rows and 10 columns. That is 100, okay? 100 small boxes. There are 10 rows and 10 columns. Okay?
10%.
Very good. Very good. Okay. You can write it as 10% because one whole column will have 10. So 10 by 100, that is 10%. Okay.
Okay.
So anything out of 100, you can use percentage. If you get 25 by 100, you can say it as 25%. You get that?
Okay.
Can you do the second problem?
A strip diagram is divided into 5 equal sections. If exactly one section is shaded, which benchmark percent accurately describes the shaded portion?
So first tell me the fractional part, then I'll help you in the percentage.
1 by 5.
1 by 5. So percentage means your denominator should be 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 5 into what is 100?
5 into 5.
Because your denominator is 5 here, right? The total parts is 5 here.
20.
5 into 20. So what is the rule? Whatever you do in the
Denominator to do it on a numerator.
exactly. So it is 20 by 100. Do you get that?
Yeah.
So what is 20 by 100?
20%.
Very good. Next.
Um, oh, these small squares are shaded. What simplest fraction does this represent?
Simplest fraction means I want the reduced form, okay?
Okay.
The common factors you have to take from both numerator as well as denominator.
Okay.
Pretty hot outside. Yeah, tell me. What is the answer?
Um,
What did you get?
I'm still doing it.
So are you stuck in any?
I'm just confused on the first one.
How did you write that? First
50
50
by
by
50 by 100.
then start reducing. It goes in which table?
One and two.
2. Okay, you're taking 2. Okay. Okay, so it's going to be
25,
okay.
and then
Kunshita, shall I tell you a easy way? 5, 50 is 5 into 10, right?
mm-hmm,
100 is 10 into 10.
mm-hmm.
So this 10 and this 10 gets cancelled.
Then it's 5 by 10.
5 by 10, you can further reduce. See, if both the numbers, if you see 50 as well as 100 ends with 0, then it both
Mm-hmm.
goes in 10 tables. That's the first thing you have to notice. Okay. So 5 into 10 and 10 by 10 into 10, 10 10 gets cancelled. What is 5 by 10?
5 by 10. Um,
5 times
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do the fourth problem.
Select all the values that are mathematically equal to 25% of 1.
You have to tick all the values. What is 25%?
0.25.
Okay, that is right. Because 25 by
20.
100, you can just, there are two zeros at the bottom. So move from the right towards left. Okay. For two
Okay.
zeros, you have to go back 0.25.
Mhm.
Okay. If you want to
Is it
see, if you're multiplying a point with what is 2 point, let me ask you this question. Okay. What is 2.5 into 100?
mm, is
What is
it two 250?
exactly? You have to move towards the right. Okay. You get it?
Okay.
If you're dividing with 100, you have to move towards left. 2.5 by 100. In this case, you have to move 2 points towards, two numbers towards the left. Okay, you have to keep the point after two numbers. You have to
Okay.
move towards the left. So it's going to be 0.025. I'm sorry, this is 2.5 by 100. That is 25 by 100. Right, okay. First, 0.25 is right. Second,
25 by 100.
perfect. There's one more
And
answer. Think and tell me. There's one more answer. Think and tell me.
1 by 25.
How? Did you reduce 25 by 100? Please reduce it and let me know. Bo 25 by 100 is?
What?
How will you reduce 25 by 100? It both goes in which table?
5.
5. Tell me. Do it. 5. Then bottom.
Then for the 100, it's 50.
Hmm? You're dividing it by 5. How can it be 50?
25.
20. 20 times 5 is 100.
Okay.
Then this further can be reduced 1, and this goes in 5 times 4, that is 4, 1 by 4.
Okay.
Okay, you should know these things. What is 50 by 100? It's going to be 50.
15.
50 is half, right? If you have 100 chocolates, 50 is going to be half of 100. So it's 1 by 2.
Okay.
What is 25 by 100? It's going to be
20 by 100.
25 by 100 is going to be, if 50 is half, 25 is what?
1 by 5.
No. See, Kunchita, 25 plus 25 makes 50. Okay.
Okay.
So if 50 is half, 25 will be what? 1 by 4.
Okay.
1 by 4. What will be 75 by 100?
Mm,
It's going to be what? For 175 means it's going to be, it's going to be what?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. 100 by 100 is going to be 4 by 4, that is 1. You have to memorize this, okay? 50 is going to be half, obviously. If you have 100 chocolate, 50, you are selecting 50 chocolates out of 100, then it's going to be 1 by 2, half. Half you're taking. If it is
Okay.
25, then it is quarter, okay? 1 by 4.
Mhm.
And if it is 75, it's going to be 3 by 4. And 100 by 100 is going to be 4 by 4, okay?
Okay.
You have to know this. 25% is always going to be 1 by 4. 50%
Okay.
is going to be what?
50% is 1 by 2.
75% is going to be,
3 by 4.
and 100% is going to be
1.
4 by 4, that is 1. Okay. Please know, you have to know these values. Okay. Can you do the fifth one?
A number line is marked from 0 to 1.
0 to 1, the tick
Two.
mark at
The big
quarters.
one. Okay.
A point is located in the third tick mark. Okay. So what is the third tick mark going to be?
The third pig. Is 0.75.
0.75. Okay, then what it is? Which is the equivalent percentage for 0.75? How will you write 0.75 in percentage? What is 0 point
75
by
by
0.75, right? Okay. 0.75 by, if nothing is there, you have to assume it as 1. Okay. So you have to make the denominator 100. Can you see this? or it's not clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you have to do? 0.75 by 1. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this 1 you have to change to 100. What you will do? You have to multiply this with 100, right?
Yeah.
And if you want, then whatever you're doing in the numerator or denominator, you have to do the same thing in the numerator. So
Mm-hmm.
0.75 into 100 is 75. 75 by 100 is 75%. Okay,
Okay.
now let me put a chart for you. 1 by 4 is a fraction. 25 by 100 is the percentage. Okay, fraction,
Okay.
percentage. Okay, and decimal for this is, what is the decimal? What is the
20,
decimal? Huh?
0.25.
0.25. Don't say it is 25. Okay, it is not 25. 0.25. Okay,
Okay.
1 by 2. Next to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 percentages. Half percentage is what?
1, 2, 50.
50 by 100. Okay, what is
Mm-hmm.
the point?
0.5.
Next is 3 by 4. What is 3 by 4?
Um, 75 by 100.
Okay, what is the decimal part for this?
0.75.
Next, 4 by 4. That is 1. It's going to be
100.
100. Hmm. 1. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Okay, this you have to know. Next time, if 0.75 is given, then you should know it's 75 percentage. If they ask you to convert to percentage, okay?
Okay.
Next thing, next sixth problem. Can you do the sixth problem?
Which of the following visual models perfectly represents 1%? One C follows 10,000. Is it one small square shaded on a 10 by 10
Right.
grid?
Why this is not right? Why this is not right? Why this is not right? You're right. This is the right choice. Why these
Mm-hmm.
three doesn't falls under 1%?
The first one,
First
if
one,
it was like if it was like one full column, it would be 10%,
very
not
good.
1%.
So this is okay. How about the third one?
The third one, it only said 10 parts, even though it's supposed to be 100.
But you can convert them to 100 parts, right?
Um, yeah.
So tell me what is the fraction for this? It's going to be
1 by 10.
1 by 10. How will you change this to percentage?
Um, 1%.
How it will be 1%? It is 1 by 100, 1 by 10. How it will be 1%? 1% mean one small box out of 100. So how will you convert this to percentage? For,
Um,
for the percentage, your denominator should be what?
should the denominator should be 100.
Yes. So how will you convert? What is there in the denominator?
A 10.
Then how will you change to 100?
Mm, multiplying it by 10
Multiplying it by 10, then,
and then do that to the numerator.
huh? Sorry, what?
Wait, do we like multiply the 10 to the numerator or not?
Yes, you have to do the same thing in the numerator. So what is the
Mm-hmm.
answer?
10 by 100.
What is that? 10 by 100 means.
10%.
10% is not equal to 1%. So that choice is wrong. How about the last one?
The last one, it's talking about a number line.
That's okay. That's okay. You can represent how will you write 1%? See, it's saying you have to represent 1% in decimal and check the answer for this question. How will you change 1% to decimal? How will you change it to a decimal? 1% is
1%.
it's going to be 1% is going to be what, Ma?
1% is going to be 0.1.
Can you do it? It's 1% is going to be 1 by 100, right? That equal to
Yeah.
that is equal to how will you write them in decimal? This is not equal to the number line 0.0.01. So this answer is also wrong. Okay, you have to convert and check your answer. You can't just come since that she has not given select all the choices. You just don't come to a conclusion that oh, there's one small square shaded is the right answer, but you have to make sure the rest of the choices are wrong. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let me take the next one. Okay, um, sorry.
We're doing number 7, right?
Number 7. Yes, yes. One second. Let me take few more questions. And I want to ask you some questions also. Wait. Here's a point exactly at 1. Hmm. Can you just do
Select
the
all the.
ninth problem? Ninth problem.
Okay. A student draws a number line from 0 to 10 and places a point exactly at 1. What percent of the entire number line distance does this represent?
So
Is it
think and tell me. First, tell me in the what will be the fraction,
a 1 by 10?
and then convert them to
A percentage?
how will you convert them to percentage?
Um, multiplying by
Multiply with
10?
okay. So it's going to be
100%?
hmm, 100%. Denominator, you get 100. Numerator,
10.
so it's going to be 10 by 100. That is
10 by 100.
10 by 100 is 10%,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So the second one is the right answer.
Okay.
How will you do this? You have to convert this to fraction or you whatever you want to do. You can convert them to percentage and do fraction.
Which benchmark fraction matches the decimal 0.20?
To zero.
Represent
What
as two columns on a grid. Mm,
what is 0.20?
0.20 can.
You can write them in fraction also, Machik, because your answers are in fraction. So write them in fraction and then
Okay.
do you see your answers are in fraction. So you have to convert this to fraction.
Okay.
Okay, then. How about is 5 by 50? You cancel both with what?
5.
20 by 5 and 100 is also by 5. If you cancel, so how did you do that? How did you cancel 5 and how did you write 5 and 50? Kunshita, how did you do that? How did you cancel it, Ma? With what?
I can with 5.
5. So 20. What is 5 times what is 20?
4.
Huh?
4.
4. Okay. Then 100.
25.
25 into 5 is 100. Do it. It's going to be 125. Five times what is 100?
20.
20. Then with what number you can cancel 4 and 20?
2.
Okay. 2 times 2. Then denominator will change
10.
to 10. Then you still,
Mm,
your answer is not there. 2 by 10 is not there. You have to further reduce. Tell me. Kunchita?
um,
2 by 10, how will you reduce it more further?
um, with 2.
With 2, okay. So numerator will change to
1.
denominator.
5.
So 1 by 5. You have to know 20 by 100 is 1 by 5. Okay, 25 by 100 is 1 by 4. These are basic things, okay?
Okay.
You should know this. Let me give you some more problem. Let me give my own problems, okay? Wait. So convert 0.75 into percentage. First convert this 0.75 into percentage.
Okay. 0.75 to percent.
Reduce them. So 75 by 100 is what, Kunchita?
70 by 100 is 75%.
What is a fraction? What is a reduced fraction for this? I gave you a
So
table, right? 75 by 100 is going to be? What is
70,
what is 25 by 100?
25 by 100 is
25 by 100 is going to be?
is
25 by 100 is going to be?
5%.
25%, that I know. What is the reduced fraction for 25 by 100? I just gave you a table, right? 50 by 100 is going to be what?
50, 1 by 2.
What is 25 by 100? 25 by 100 is going to be
25 by 100 is
it's going to be uh,
one by
1 by
4,
1 by 4. So 75 by 100 is how many 25s make 75?
3,
So what will be 75 by 100?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. So if you see 75 by 100, you directly have to write 3 by 4.
Okay.
Okay, can you convert 2 by 5 to percentage?
2 by 5.
Can you convert it?
Mm,
What are you going to do? 2 by 5. Percentage. Percentage means your denominator should be. Why are you cancelling it? What did I tell you? Percentage means your denominator should have what?
mm,
Should have what?
um,
Your denominator should be. Should be what, Ma Kunshita?
um,
I've given you convert 2 by 5 to percentage. What? Your denominator should be what?
5.
Amma, 2 by 5 to percentage. So your denominator should be what?
Mhm.
I want your, I want this to be converted to percentage. Your denominator should be percentage. Your denominator is always going to be what?
Uh, two, two.
It's going to be 100 percentage. It's always out of 100. If you want percentage means it's out of 100.
Okay.
So how will you convert to 5 to 100? With what you will multiply?
By 20.
5 20s are 100. So whatever you're doing in the denominator, you have to do the same thing in the numerator. So it's going to be
Okay. So it'd be 40.
40 by 100 is 40%, right?
Yeah.
Can you do, uh, 1 second, 3 by 4? How will you convert them to percentage?
3 by 4. It would be 0.75.
What is percentage? I want it in percentage.
75.
75%. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
Kumshita. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye.